Yo, what is up guys? It is your boy Shelvick99 and today I might be too close to the camera. Who knows? We are going to do another random mystery trading card sticker unboxing. Last one was Frozen 2. There is a couple of weird ones. But let's see what this one is going to be, shall we? Oh, hang on, no, I've got to do it this way. So I'm going to continue to look at you. I'll pick out a packet of cards. Here we go. Yeah, why not? Lightseeker's Mythical Booster Pack. 10 augmented reality trading cards from Wave 2. I will, if you guys are enjoying it, probably continue to add to this to make it a bit more interesting, but I implore you to like, comment and subscribe before we get into this booster pack and see what we can add into a sleeve of disappointment. Let's get into it. Okay, come on. Oh, there we go. Looking at it then, didn't you? So this is the Lightseeker's Mythical Booster Pack, which again I believe was only £1. I think I got a few on a discounted price for this specific reason. So, Spark Wisp, he's quite cute. We have a Rebel Roach, nope. Necrophant, okay. Gear Crank Catapult, yeah, it's not really interesting enough. Creeble Nurse, yep, that's interesting. Storm Calling, okay. Umbron Informant, right. A Crumbling Tower, okay. A Venom Feeder, and a Putrid Infestation. Okay, well, added these two. I think we're gonna have to go with the Nurse, maybe, or the Wisp. One, two, one. I am not looking. I picked up that one, so it's the Wisp. That's one we're going with. I was not looking, and my eyes closed. Spun them around a few times. We have got the Spark Wisp to add to the pile of disappointment, which now includes also Elsa spread over a fence. We have a Hades Hypnotist, a Minecraft Minecart, and a Heroic Starfish. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.